Hello, my name is Mikael Hellstrom and I'm an instructor in political science. In my classroom, I want to promote passion and active learning among my students. I usually show my 101 students this picture. This is from the movie The Matrix. The main character, Neo, can finally see the truth of the virtual reality that he inhabits, and that's the Matrix code. That's kind of what political science is like. It lets you see the reality in a whole different way and see relations of power in society. And what could really be cooler than that? But a nice picture and a cool metaphor is not really enough to get students active about their learning. So for that reason, I've taken up gamification principles in my teaching. Specifically, I'm doing quest-based learning. What this does is it takes the curriculum and it chops it up into kind of like a smorgasbord for the students to explore. This means that it's always on demand for them. They choose what paths, what learning paths to explore, and when to do so. So they can suit it to their own personal time, whenever it's best and most convenient for them to do so. It also means that they will always be doing an assignment they're actually interested in doing, instead of having me force them to do something. This is how it works. So this is 3D Game Lab. It's a web tool designed for quest-based learning. It works kind of like a computer game, and the curriculum is broken down into a series of individual assignments. And this is 3D Game Lab's Teacher Academy curriculum. You can see my player card here. So this is, I can track here as a student my own progress through the material. You can see here my achievements as badges and achievements and awards. So it's effectively continuously rewarding me for learning success. And I can choose what assignments to complete. So I can choose what assignments to complete. I can go into any of these ones here and work on what my instructor wants me to do. I can also see what other students have liked to do here and about how long time it has taken for other students to complete the work. Now, if I do work on something and I might not actually have completed the assignment, then the instructor will send it back to me with comments. And this is what it looks like. So the instructor here has given me feedback on my work. And if there's anything that I haven't understood properly, the instructor will simply tell me what I have to do to complete the assignment. And so we can go on until the learning objective is achieved. And then the student will win these experience points. And those experience points are what determines the final grade of the course. So this is what it looks like in one of my courses, for instance. So as you progress through the experience points, your grades will rise. And this gives the student the power over the learning. This is also why I've uploaded my lectures on YouTube. This way, they never have to be worried about missing a lecture. If they're sick, if there's some other reason why they couldn't attend the class, well, it's going to still be there available for them. Also, they won't have to worry about remembering what I said in the beginning of the term. When the end of the term is coming closer, they don't have to rely on their notes only. They can always go back and re-watch the lecture that I did because it's always available on YouTube. So what do we do in the classroom? Well, we do in-depth discussions because they've already watched the lectures before they come to class. I can use the classroom time to give in-depth feedback, advanced analysis. Students have a chance to compare notes with their peers, but also we do labs. And how do you do a lab in political science? Well, you recreate the political systems. So kind of like model United Nations, for instance, or model US Congress. This gives the students a chance to actually experience the systems that we're studying in the readings. Between student choice and rewards for effort, it's much easier for me to show how power in society matters and why I'm so passionate about it. And that's what I want to promote in my classroom. Thank you very much for watching, and check out the rest of the videos on this channel.